In this video, we are prototyping a 2D game mechanic and creating two types of magic spells, a fireball effect and the ability to raise the ground level. Welcome to the prototype series, a group of videos in which we explore creating small projects combining different Unity features. We'll show you a quick overview of how this project was done, and we also have a longer tutorial for this project in our Unity Learn website, which is linked in the description of this video. We will separate the creation process by talking about the assets that we use to start prototyping, how we use Unity's new 2D tools, and how we enhance the project's visuals. Let's get into it. Usually when prototyping, it is a good idea to use a project as a foundation for implementing new mechanics. And in this case, we decided to download Unity's Lost Script demo on the Asset Store. Once we had the assets in place, we started analyzing how to make the character's arm move relative to the mouse position. Since this character was made using the new 2D animation rigging system, it was possible to take advantage of the bone structure to make the arm move. By using 3 lines of code, we made it so that the arm parent bone rotated towards the mouse position. Then we made it so that every time there was a mouse input from the player, the hand bone would move and rotate to create a spellcast animation. Now for the first spell, we decided to create a simple fireball projectile that would take advantage of the new 2D lighting system to illuminate the scene while moving. This was a point light with a red color, some intensity, and also with the use normal map property activated to have the light interact with all sprites' normal map textures. We then added the ghosts from the Lost Script demo as enemies in our prototype. For their reaction when being hit, we expanded their material shader using shader graph by simply interpolating the original color result with a new HDR color. With this, we could quickly activate a visual hit state to then return to the normal color. For the second spell, we wanted to take advantage of the new 2D Sprite Shape system. Sprite Shape gives you the ability to create freeform 2D environments straight in Unity by moving and placing nodes as you see fit. The great thing about this feature is that we can access each node and modify their position by using code. So what we basically did was to check the nearest node relative to the mouse position, and then we took that node and interpolated its Y position from its original height to where the mouse is placed on the screen. This way, our character could deform the terrain and even jump on top of the new shape. We even decided that if the enemy was touched by the spell, it would be eliminated immediately. Now, of course, we wanted to make all of these actions feel more powerful and have a more striking visual. For this, we added particle systems as a trail for the fireball, and we also added 3 additional particle systems for the earth bending spell, composed by a smoke effect, some spark, and a grass burst to really indicate that the earth was being deformed. To enhance these spells even more, we made the camera shake by generating impulse in our Cinemachine camera. And as a last touch, we added some UI to indicate which spell is activated according to the mouse input. As you can see, prototyping this project was made a ton easier with the new Unity 2D tools. There's a lot that can be done using these features, and we can't wait to see what you can all come up with by using them. If you want to try out this prototype yourself to learn even more, you can download it right now by following the link in the description. Not only that, but we also have a link for a longer training session showcasing the features used to build this on Unity Learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.